Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create your first post on your subreddit. So go to your subreddit. Now let's create the first post. So click here or here to create the post. Well, you can create different types of posts like text, images, link, poll, AMA, which is ask me anything. But for now, I'm creating an image post. So upload your image and write the title. Then assign a post flair. Well, if it were a text post, you would be able to format it using the formatting tools available under text post. Since it's not, just click on post. Now, your first post has just been published. Well, recently, Reddit has given the option to not only write about the image, but also provided almost all the formatting tools that is available under text post. Now, you can not only post an image under images post, but also explain it and format it too. And when you post it, this is how it will look like. And this is how you can add your first post on your subreddit. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.